S.T. Somshekhar and Shivram Hebbar have been expelled by the BJP. And the party said that they are close to the Congress. How do you see this?
I'll hold it for you.
Hold it down to you.
Somshekhar and Hebbar has not raped anyone in the So many affairs are there. So many investigations have been conducted. And there are some legislators who made a AIDS injection to the opposition leader. And who tried to trap the Yediyurappa ji. They are not taking action on them. I am very happy they are keeping all those Navaratnas with their party.
Sir, MLC Ravi Kumar's statement, sir, how do you see calling DC as a party?
The Indian Administrative Service IAS officers, a lot of officers from this morning. A very clean, independent officer, a woman. This is the respect they are showing to a woman officer. The government will take action, and I seek an explanation from the BJP president of the central minister. This is how they are treating the woman IAS officers of the state.
Chandrababu Naidu has proposed to shift a chain production unit to Andhra Pradesh.
I don't want to comment on whatever they demand. But Karnataka will not allow any of the which has been functioning well. If they want, let they have the view. But I want my parliament members and my central ministers who are there to react on this. But as a government, we will not allow anything to be shifted.
They offered 10,000 acres of land near to Bengaluru, sir.
We have all those lands with us only. We have given in Tumkur for HL.
Yes.
We have given for helicopter division. We will give land. What is that? If they want to expand, we will give. Let they have any new thing. I don't want to come in their way. But as far as Karnataka is concerned, it is our pride. Nehruji gave us. It is a base. We have Bidar as a base, Bangalore as a base. We have two HL airports in Bangalore itself. One is in Yelahanka, one is in the HL airport. So there is no question of it. Their desire, we don't want to intervene on.
Sir, now let's emphasize the appointment of former DGP as one of those services for cloud services for guarantee schemes, sir. Former DGPs of Andhra Pradesh who have been involved in scams are being appointed as
I don't want to comment on the.
BJP has made sure BJP has made
BJP ಸಂಸ್ಕೃತಿ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದೆ.